Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway, and we are at 11 miles in Bull Bay, St. Thomas. Now this is where the phase one of the highway is going to run from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge. And this is the construction. This is the actual road that's going to be the highway. It's going to from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay, which is where we are. The highway is going to use the existing two roads plus an additional two roads. There just was no space to build the highway from scratch, so it's going to take the path of the existing road from the Harborview Bridge all the way back to 11 miles, which is where we are. And then from 11 miles, the highway is going to take and run over the hill, a new road built from scratch, all the way back to the Southern Coast Adventure Park, and then on to Grants Pen in St. Thomas. So this is the road, the actual construction of where the road is going to be. So let's just quickly go and show you. Okay, so the highway will run along this road. If you're driving from Harborview, this is the road you drive on, and then to the left is the original main road, which will stay as is, but the highway will then veer right onto this bridge and take you over to the Southern Coast Adventure Park and then to Grants Pen. And the highway is being built in phases. So the phase 1A is the road that we're on, which is going to run from Harborview, to Yalos. So more specifically from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge. That's phase 1A, and it's well on the way. Should be close to completion soon, as the actual roadway has been laid out, and this is it. Now this project started in 2017, the entire project, and it's supposed to finish in 2025. Okay, construction is going on ahead, so we're not going to go too far up. And it's going to be a dual carriageway, similar to the Highway 2000. 4 lanes, dual carriageway, and you have the concrete barricade in the middle. Alright, since construction is going on up ahead, we're going to go over to the Southern Coast Adventure Park, and enter the highway from that side and drive all the way back down, because we don't want to interfere with the construction. So we're going to turn back around and then take the existing road to the other end of where this highway will finish. So we really have to give the government credit, or the governments, because this is what Jamaica needs. This kind of infrastructure is what the island needs, because this highway being built here now is going to open up so much investment in St. Thomas. You have the Morant Bay Urban Center is the perfect example. So because this highway is going to connect Kingston to Morant Bay, they are now building the Morant Bay Urban Center in Morant Bay, which is the capital of St. Thomas. And because persons can get there so easily, a lot of interest has been expressed in getting rental space in that facility. So much so that the scope of the project has to be extended. In other words, there was so much demand for office space or just space to rent in a facility that the facility had to be enlarged. So let's say it was 5,000 square feet before. Because of the amount of persons interested in doing business over there, they had to increase it to 6,000 square feet. That's just an example. So that is the kind of economic gains or growth you would say that you get from building these highways. So it's very important. Also, you have a lot of housing developments that are being done in St. Thomas, and it's all because of this highway. Before the highway, okay, this is the existing road, and you can see the sign that says welcome to St. Thomas, but those signs are not at the border. Those signs are at a spot where it is convenient to put the sign. It is not at the border, because as we drive, you're going to see more signs. Okay, this is the old road, and this road will stay as is because the highway is not interfering with this side of the road. As we said, the highway is going to veer right and go over the hill at that section of Bull Bay. Okay, so this is the existing road. So this is the road persons would have to drive on if they wanted to go to St. Thomas before. Hence, a lot of people did not visit St. Thomas. And if you think this section of the road is bad, wait till we get further down. It was a terrible drive. So the highway has made it so much easier, or will make it so much easier to get to St. Thomas, more specifically to Morant Bay. So it's welcome, and this is what Jamaica needs. This kind of investment, this kind of development. Now, while we love the roads and the new highways and the progress, Jamaica still needs a train service. It's good that you can drive easily to these places, but you also have to have a way to move persons quickly and easily and in a large amount, or how would you say, a lot of people more easily, and that's a train. So although we welcome these highways, we still need the government to pursue getting the train service running again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the update on the Southern Coastal Highway project. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.